Samsung has officially confirmed that they will include satellite connectivity for emergency services in their upcoming flagship phones, the Galaxy S24 series. This announcement was made by Yong, the CEO of Samsung's System LSI division. According to a report by SamMobile, this feature is expected to be available early next year. With this new feature, Samsung smartphone users will be able to use emergency SOS via satellite to connect with others and request help during emergencies, even if they are in remote or isolated areas. This feature bears a resemblance to a similar one introduced by Apple in their iPhone 14 series last year, which was further improved in the iPhone 15. The emergency SOS via satellite function acts as a lifeline for users facing emergencies. It guides them through a series of questions about their situation and immediately transmits this crucial information, along with the user's current location, to the appropriate authorities. While it's still uncertain whether this functionality will be available on all models in the Galaxy S24 series or just the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it represents a significant step toward more comprehensive and reliable emergency response options for smartphone users. Meanwhile, Samsung is expected to launch the Samsung Galaxy S24 series worldwide in mid-January, with numerous enhancements compared to the Galaxy S23 series. At a recent press conference, the company also showcased the ISOCELL Zoom Anyplace technology, featuring a 200-megapixel sensor. This new feature has the ability to track and record movements while keeping the subject in the center of the frame, and it's likely to be introduced with the Galaxy S24 series. Do you like the satellite connectivity feature and the new camera feature that will come in S24 Ultra? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And do not forget to subscribe for the Galaxy S24 Ultra full coverage. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.